Hi, this is Scott Dorn with Spectrum Industries. What you're looking at here is our Control SOC desk. The Control SOC desk was designed to be able to accommodate heavy monitoring situations. So what you see is a 3/3 array here, ideal for Security Operations Center, Cybersecurity Operations Center, and monitoring areas. So we've seen a lot of these deployed on campuses, so in security centers, cybersecurity, like I mentioned earlier, but also athletic game day and athletic game day experience areas. So if they're looking at crowd monitoring, you can have the various video feeds. It is height adjustable, so it's a very stable, very smooth height adjustment. It has 3 actuators, so it is smooth. You can see the monitors are not moving at all. It also has a flip-up shelf, so if you need to bring in any other materials, or if you're planning out AV environments, maybe you have your digital system up on screen, you could actually have your prints for the building right there. It is also available with an extension leg, so you could have a 4th leg and a 4th work surface tied in. That would be connected to the same control mechanism. And for environments where maybe you have a video wall, like in an emergency operations center, that actually can be accommodated with single and straight work surfaces. So the same system, instead of a corner unit, can be a straight just workstation with low profile monitors, allowing you to see the digital video wall. This product and others are available on the Spectrum website, www.spectrumfurniture.com. Come check us out. We're also booth 8209. So stop in the rest of the show.